Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. We actually got to see some nice weather over the weekend, so I hope you got a chance to get outside and enjoy the nice weather. BV Storm here got a chance to get outside and play with bubbles. We got a chance to get outside yesterday, and we have a big container of bubbles, and then we have a couple of small ones, and we were just having fun chasing them around, and the little one, Anastasia, was having fun, and my older two, Mackenzie and JC, were having fun as well. So hopefully you had some family time in over the weekend as well with this nice weather. I want to go over our lessons for this week for Monday. And if you have any questions, remember after I do the video, you're more than welcome to ask them by email, Google Classroom, or you can text me questions. So for reading today, we're going to be talking about similes and metaphors. Remember, a simile and metaphor are comparisons. So you're looking for what is being compared in the sentence. How are they similar? How are they connected to each other? A simile has like or as, and a metaphor does not. That's the only differences between the two of them. Otherwise, they're both a comparison. So that's what we're going to focus on today in reading. In your brochure that you've been working on over the last few days, today you're going to be doing the section on recreation. So thinking about parks that you go to. Do you go to the canal? Do you like to go to the parks in Princeton? Do you like your park in your town? Think about places like that you can add to your brochure today. Some of you I know have worked ahead and worked on those and turned them in already, which is fine with me. But if you want to work with it still day by day, that's fine as well. So keep working hard at those. For math today, I wanted to go over the directions with you because it's a little bit different than what we've had so far. And the directions state that you need to estimate first, and then after you estimate, you need to circle all the problems that will have a product between 18,000 and 32,000. So I want to model that for you today so you know what to do when you get to the worksheet. I'm going to do the first three, so bonus if you watch the video, that'll get you started. And then if the answer is going to fall between 18,000 and 32,000, then you need to go ahead and find the exact product. So you do not have to solve all of them. So hopefully you catch that in the directions. You need to estimate them, but you will not have to solve them all, only the ones that fall between 18,000 and 32,000. So here I have written down the first three problems. And here is where the first problem states 8,491 times 2. And so over here, I went ahead and rounded that number. So 8,491 is rounded to 8,000 and then times 2. If I were to multiply that to find the estimated answer, that would be 16,000. 16,000 does not fall in the range between 18,000 and 32,000, so you do not have to solve that one. You're done. Just have to write to 16,000 underneath. The next one is 6,148 times 4. So I went ahead and rounded that large number to 6,000 times 4, and that is 24,000. So 24,000 does fall between 18,000 and 32,000, so you need to go ahead and solve that and find the exact answer. So I'm going to circle number 2 because I need to go back and solve that, and I'm going to model that for you. Remember, we multiply the ones place first, so we're going to multiply 4 times 8. That's 32. Put my 2, carry my 3. Next, we're going to multiply the 4 times the tens place, so 4 times 4, which is 16, plus 3, 19. 4 times the 100 place, which is a 1 there, so 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And then we're going to finish it out by doing 4 times 1,000. So 4 times 6 is 24. So now I have the exact answer and the estimated. Your estimated answer should be close to your exact answer, depending on how you had to round, whether you had to round up or round down. But mine is definitely close to it, so I know my answer probably is correct. Then number 3, 7,062 times 5. I rounded 7,062 to 7,000, multiplied it by 5. And when I found the estimated answer, that is 35,000. So 35,000 does not fit between the range that we're looking for, so we do not have to do the exact answer for this one either. So that is how you're going to complete that page. You're just going to go through, estimate the answers, and then if the range falls between 18,000 and 32,000, you need to solve only those. So that is the method today. I don't think there is anything else for me to go over with you today. I don't know if anyone got a chance to watch the Grand Canyon presentation on Friday. If you did, shoot me an email, let me know what you thought of it. If you got to learn anything from the video that they shared. And then tomorrow is our last day with this lesson plan. And remember, today you can pick up meals. And then on Wednesday, you can pick up your meals again and your new packets for the next planning week. So I hope you have a great start to your week and hope things go well for you. Talk to you guys later. Bye.